One of the best ways to boost your immunity is to eat an array of foods as part of a healthy lifestyle. You probably have these foods in your kitchen, and if not, they are readily available in shops and supermarkets. Here is a list of the top 10 best foods to help improve your immune system. 1. Garlic. Clinical studies on garlic have shown their potential antibacterial and antiviral properties in concentrated extracts. For hundreds of years, garlic has been a staple in diets all over the world. Garlic does tend to have a strong taste, so it might be a good idea to add grated garlic into sauces and curries during the cooking process. That way the taste and benefits will be blended together in your meals. 2. Mushrooms. Mushrooms may be a potent weapon in warding off colds, flu, and other infections. Studies on fresh mushrooms, dried mushrooms, and extracts have shown that mushrooms such as shiitake, maitake, and reishi have antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-tumor effects. So topping up your pizzas with some mushrooms and having some mushroom soup regularly could be a wonderful idea. 3. Brightly colored vegetables. Carotenoids such as beta-carotene are important antioxidants that aid in the immune system function. Carotenoids are present in bright yellow, orange, and red fruits and vegetables, although they can also be found in fruits and vegetables that are mostly green. It's important to eat a variety of fruits and vegetables of different colors because various types of carotenoids are thought to work together to strengthen the body's immune system. So next time you make a fruit salad, remember to throw in some colors from the rainbow. 4. Nuts. Nuts are protein-packed powerhouses of vitamins and minerals, which are rich in antioxidants such as vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, and zinc. All of these help to improve your immune system. So next time you're eating a salad or having a snack, throw in some nuts to add some crunch and boost your health. 5. Berries. Strawberries and raspberries are a great source of vitamin C, an essential vitamin to support a healthy immune system. Blueberries contain antioxidants that can help to keep your immune system strong. This antioxidant is a type of flavonoid, and research has shown that eating foods rich in flavonoids can help fight off cold and flu viruses. 6. Fish. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients present in every cell of the body. Essential nutrients means that they are required by our body for normal bodily function, but our body actually cannot produce them in sufficient amounts. Therefore, it is important to consume them as part of our diet. There are 3 main types of omega-3 fatty acids: EPA, DHA, and ALA. DHA contributes to normal brain function and vision. Top sources of omega-3, EPA, and DHA are oily fish like mackerel, salmon, sardines, and tuna. 7. Chocolate. There's some happy news for chocolate lovers. Some studies indicate that cocoa and extracts of cocoa might positively boost our immune system, as long as you keep the sugar and the fat to a minimum. Studies have shown that regular consumption of cocoa and cocoa extracts may reduce the risk of heart disease, help raise good cholesterol, and possibly reverse blood vessel damage in people with diabetes. So next time you fancy some chocolate, reach out for the dark chocolate cocoa. 8. Yogurt. Yogurt provides probiotics, vitamins, and minerals, all of which may boost immune health and prevent certain diseases. Probiotics have been shown to reduce inflammation, which is linked to several health conditions ranging from viral infections to gut disorders. Yogurt also contains magnesium, selenium, and zinc, which are trace minerals known for the role they play in immune system health. Vitamin D fortified yogurts may boost immune health even further. For maximum health benefits, choose plain, unsweetened varieties of yogurt that contain probiotics. 9. Persimmons. Persimmons are high in vitamins A and C, which are important for immune system function. Just one medium persimmon has a good amount of vitamin A, which is known to play a key role in the regulation of immune cells in our body. 10. Poultry and lean meats. Foods high in protein, such as lean meats and poultry, are high in zinc, a mineral that increases the production of white blood cells and T cells, which fight infections. So tucking into a grilled fish or chicken with vegetables weekly should help improve your immune system. Vitamin A. Vitamin A, also known as retinol, has several important functions. These include helping your body's immune system to work properly, helping your eyes to see better in dim light, keeping your skin and the lining of some parts of your body, such as the nose, healthy. Good sources of vitamin A include cheese, eggs, oily fish, fortified low-fat spreads, milk and yogurt, and liver. Liver is a particularly rich source of vitamin A, so you may be at risk of having too much vitamin A if you eat it more than once a week, and this is particularly important to note if you are pregnant. You can get vitamin A by including good sources of beta-carotene in your diet, as your body can convert this into vitamin A. The main food sources of beta-carotene are yellow, red and green leafy vegetables such as spinach, carrots, sweet potatoes and red peppers, and yellow fruit such as mango, papaya and apricots. You can make sure you get a good amount of vitamin A in your diet through simple meals like carrot soup, grilled fish with spinach, and even a glass of milk with your breakfast. Vitamin B1. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, has several important functions. These include the normal function of your nervous system and other tissues, such as the skeletal muscles and the heart. It is part of an enzyme needed for energy metabolism and therefore is required to release energy from carbohydrates. A good source of vitamin B1 include whole grain and enriched breads, cereals, peas, beans and lentils, nuts and seeds. You can make sure you get a good amount of vitamin B1 in your diet through simple meals like red lentil soup, brown rice, black bean salad, prawn and noodle stir-fry. Vitamin B2. Vitamin B2, also known as riboflavin, has several important functions. These include the release of energy from protein, carbohydrate and fat. It is involved in the transport and metabolism of iron in the body. It is needed for the normal structure and function of mucous membranes and the skin. And it is also important for healthy vision. Good sources of vitamin B2 include milk and milk products, leafy green vegetables, whole grain and enriched breads, cereals. You can make sure you get a good amount of vitamin B2 into your diet through simple meals like strawberry milkshake, chickpea salad, and buttermilk French toast. Vitamin B3. Vitamin B3, also known as niacin, has several important functions. These include the release of energy from the foods we eat. It keeps our nervous system and our skin healthy. There are two forms of niacin, nicotinic acid and nicotinamide. Both are found in food. Good sources of niacin include meat, fish, wheat flour, eggs, milk. You can make sure you get a good amount of vitamin B3 in your diet through simple meals like tuna steak with salad, grilled chicken breast, meatball curry. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, has several important functions for our body. These include allowing your body to use and store energy that is taken from protein and carbohydrates in your food. It helps in the formation of hemoglobin, the substance in red blood cells that carries oxygen around our body. Good sources of vitamin B6 include chicken and turkey, fish, bread, whole grain cereals, some fortified breakfast cereals, eggs, milk, vegetables, potatoes, soya beans, and peanuts. You can make sure you get the right amount of vitamin B6 in your diet through simple meals like baked salmon, tuna pasta salad, and vegetable stir-fry. Folate and folic acid, also known as folacin and vitamin B9, has several important functions. These include helping our body to form healthy red blood cells and reducing the risk of central neural tube defects such as spina bifida in unborn babies. The man-made manufactured form of folate is called folic acid. Folate is found in small amounts in many foods. Good sources of folate include broccoli, Brussels sprouts, leafy green vegetables such as cabbage and spinach, peas, chickpeas, breakfast cereals fortified with folic acid. You can make sure you get a good amount of folate in your diet through simple meals and even drinks like ginger green juice, cauliflower curry, chicken Caesar salad. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 has several important functions for the body. These include working alongside vitamin B9, folic acid, to create healthy red blood cells, keeping your nervous system healthy, helps to release energy from food. Good sources of vitamin B12 include meat, salmon, cod, milk, cheese, eggs, some fortified breakfast cereals. You can make sure you get the right amount of vitamin B12 in your diet through simple meals and drinks like turmeric latte, grilled salmon, meat curry. Vitamin C. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, has several important functions. These include helping to protect your cells and keep them healthy, maintaining healthy skin, blood vessels, bones and cartilage, and helping with wound healing. Vitamin C is found in a wide variety of fruit and vegetables. Good sources include oranges and orange juice, red and green peppers, strawberries, black currants, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, potatoes. You can make sure you get the right amount of vitamin C in your diet through simple meals like carrot, orange and grapefruit juice, pesto pasta with roasted vegetables, aloo paratha. Vitamin D. Vitamin D has several important functions. It regulates the amount of calcium and phosphate in the body. These nutrients are needed to keep bones, teeth and muscles healthy. Sources of vitamin D. The body creates vitamin D when direct sunlight is absorbed by your skin when you are outdoors. Vitamin D is also found in a small number of foods. These include oily fish, such as salmon, sardines, herring and mackerel, red meat, liver, egg yolks, and fortified foods, such as fat spreads and breakfast cereals. You can make sure you get the right amount of vitamin D in your diet through simple meals like egg-topped avocado toast, smoked salmon egg salad, and beef and potato curry. Vitamin E. Vitamin E has several important functions for your body. These include maintaining healthy skin and eyes, and strengthening the body's immune system against illness and infection. Good sources of vitamin E include olive oil, almonds, sunflower seeds, avocado, kiwi fruit, spinach, broccoli. You can make sure you get the right amount of vitamin E in your diet through simple meals and drinks like almond milk, spinach and potato curry, guacamole. Vitamin K. Vitamin K has several important functions for your body. These include blood clotting so that wounds heal properly, and the strengthening of our bones. Good sources of vitamin K include broccoli, spinach, okra, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, and parsley. You can make sure you get the right amount of vitamin K in your diet through simple meals like spinach and paneer curry, tabbouleh, and okra curry. Remember, always ask your doctor or pharmacist for advice, as taking the right amount of vitamins and minerals will help keep your body and immune system healthy. Magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that helps our body in many ways. These include turning the food we eat into energy and making sure the parathyroid glands, which produce hormones important for bone health, work normally. Good sources of magnesium can be found in leafy green vegetables such as spinach, nuts, brown rice, bread, especially whole grain, fish, meat, and dairy foods. You can make sure you get the right amount of magnesium in your diet through simple meals and side dishes like dal spinach and potato soup, spinach chicken pasta bake, and baked salmon with avocado and brown rice. Iron. Iron is a mineral that helps our body in many ways. These include helping with growth and development, making of red blood cells, and making some hormones. Good sources of iron include lamb and beef, kidney beans, white beans and black beans, pistachios, walnuts and Brazil nuts, dried apricots, whole grain food such as brown rice, and fortified breakfast cereals. You can make sure you get the right amount of iron in your diet through simple meals and snacks like lamb biryani, rice salad with kidney beans, and pistachios. Calcium. Calcium is a mineral that helps our body in many ways. These include helping to build strong bones and teeth, regulating muscle contractions, including your heartbeat, making sure your blood clots normally. Good sources of calcium can be found in milk, cheese, and other dairy foods, green leafy vegetables such as broccoli, cabbage, and okra, tofu, nuts, bread, and anything made with fortified flour, fish where you eat the bones such as sardines. You can make sure you get the right amount of calcium in your diet through simple meals like sardine and kale spaghetti, vegetable lasagna, and tofu stir-fry. Zinc. Zinc is a mineral that helps our body in many ways. These include making new cells and enzymes, processing carbohydrate, fat, and protein in food, and wound healing. Good sources of zinc can be found in lamb and beef, dairy foods such as cheese, milk, and yogurt, bread such as whole grain, rye, and seeded bread, and cereal products such as wheat germ. You can make sure you get the right amount of zinc in your diet through simple meals and snacks like beef stew, spaghetti bolognese, cheese on toast, and yogurt mixed with fruits and nuts. Remember to ask your doctor or pharmacist for advice, as taking the right amount of minerals will help keep your body and immune system healthy. If you'd like to keep your liver in great health, here are 8 foods that will really help keep your liver healthy. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries have one of the highest antioxidant levels out of all the main fruits and vegetables. As they are so high in antioxidants, they can neutralize some of the free radicals in our body that damage the cells. 2. Grapes. Grapes are also high in antioxidants and are very high in nutrients. Like blueberries, their antioxidant properties help neutralize the free radicals in our body and thus help protect our cells from damage. 3. Beetroot. Not only are beetroots high in antioxidants, they also help towards reducing inflammation and help improve blood circulation in our body. 4. Nuts. Nuts, particularly walnuts, are rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids and can help prevent the liver from absorbing too much or too little fat. 5. Fish. Fish contains omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory effects. 6. Olive oil. Olive oil can benefit liver health because it has anti-inflammatory properties. 7. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is high in fiber, and this can help lower risks of liver cancer. 8. Garlic. Garlic is a prebiotic, which is a substance that feeds the probiotics in your gut, and healthy gut bacteria helps maintain a healthier liver. These are just a few of the foods that are beneficial for the liver. The Mediterranean diet, also known as the MIND diet, is also recommended for good liver health. Diets high in sugar, fat, and salt contribute to the buildup of fat on the liver and NAFLD. To find out more about the Mediterranean diet and NAFLD, you can watch these next videos here. We hope you found the information in this video useful.